I sent 150 postcards to motivated sellers in 10 minutes. All right, guys, you need a simple and repeatable way to target motivated sellers, or you're not gonna do really well in real estate investing. So today, I'm gonna sit down and send out 150 postcards to the most qualified, motivated sellers. I haven't planned anything out. This is all off the cuff, and I'm not gonna go outside. I'm not gonna talk to anybody. I'm not gonna spend a bunch of money. It's just me in front of my computer. I've probably got more deals to send postcards to than any other strategy. So let me show you exactly what I do and how we are going to go about doing this. So let me flip over to, okay, so this is our Investor's Edge, and I'm gonna choose a zip code. One of the zip codes I like is in West Valley. So let's just go West Valley, Utah zip codes. And I'm just gonna choose one here. I like this 84118 and 84119. I've done business in both those. So let's just go 84119, okay? So what the computer does is it pre-populates for me these buckets. These are vacant properties. They're single family houses. They're not listed on the MLS, and they've got equity in them. Let's look and see how much equity we're talking. These are under $500,000 with 30% more of equity. They've owned it a year or more, single family. It doesn't have duplexes. If you're interested in duplexes, you can do those as well. These ones are involuntary liens. These are bankruptcies, pre-foreclosures. So I really like involuntary liens. These are bankruptcies, out-of-state owners, you know, the list goes on and on. But let's just choose, you could choose any of these, or you could choose a selection of these. There's 149 here, so I'm just gonna choose all of these properties, okay? Now, if you wanna get an idea with this property, this is the owner. This is where the owner lives. They live in California, right? And then you've got the average price $255 and the estimated equity is $287. They estimate owed about $36,000 on their property, which means there's $287,000 of equity. So there's a whole bunch of these, guys, but I want to get this in 10 minutes or less. So what I'm going to do is add to list, and I'm going to create a new list, and this is my 150 postcards in 10 minutes. 10 minutes or less. Okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna save those because you guys have me on the clock now. So that's gonna take just a minute. We're adding those, and then I am going to come here to my campaigns. In my campaigns, I'm gonna choose postcard. I like these smaller postcards, so I'm just gonna do that. Start with a period defined postcard, and look at this. All of these postcards are here and ready to go. So I just have to choose one of them. Let's see, I like this one. Are you tired of your house? I hit the select, and it's got my information. You can say, my name's Ryan, just a quick note. It's got my phone number. It is all ready to go here, and I can just simply send it out. So now I'm gonna edit recipients. I'm gonna come here to the group, and let's find our group here, 150 postcards. I'm gonna add the selected contacts, select all of those. I am going to hit done. And then we are going to go to print and mail, okay? Print and mail is gonna print these out and actually send them. This is a new postcard campaign. Okay, we're gonna call this 150 postcards in 10 minutes or less, so we'll save that. Save this template for future use. I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm gonna hit save. Here's my order details. It looks like it took it down to 134, so we didn't have the right addresses on a few of them, but that's okay. It's gonna cost me $71. It's already got my information in there. All my texts are there. I've got my right, let's see, that's my right phone number, so they can just call me. And then, are your images clear, high resolution, enough for printing? Yes, I'm all good to go. I place my order, I confirm and publish, and these are going to be going out. It usually takes about a week before you see these. They'll actually be getting received. One of the things I typically would do on this is put my own in there as well, my own address, so when they get received, I'll kind of know that. So congratulations, your order was submitted successfully and will be processed in the next 3 to 5 days. So basically, I'm gonna plan on next week sometime. Within a week, I should be seeing a few phone calls or talking talking to a few people. So guys, that's how easy this is. Like I talked about, I just sent that and I did that in less than about 4 minutes. Forget the 10 minutes. I basically went through, I found some motivated sellers. I made sure they had equity because I had the preset buttons. I went through the entire process. So today I showed you how easy it is to market to motivated sellers using Investor's Edge. I didn't have to go anywhere. I didn't have to call anyone. I spent a little bit of money, but not too bad, $71. Everyone that works with me gets this tool and can put as many properties as they want. So apply today. The link is here on the screen to find. Just click on the link in the description below so you can get access to this as well and make it a very profitable day.